Today's question is for Math AA level. Okay, so this question has been asked in your previous exam, that is November 21, and we are going to solve it. So I am giving you 1 minute of time to read the question, understand the question properly, and then we'll start solving. Yeah, I hope it is visible. Yeah, now it will be. So just read it for 1 minute, try to understand the question, and now and then we will solve. Okay, now let's solve this question. Consider the function f of x equals to a raised to x, where x and a belongs to real numbers. This is important condition. Whereas x is greater than 0 and a is greater than 1. Okay, next, the graph of f contains the point. Okay, so the important point here is whatever the function is given, on that function this point lies. It means what? Let's say it is a straight line and here is the point. So whatever the coordinates of these points, they satisfy the equation of line. Same way, whatever the point is given, it is satisfying the given function. It is what the question is saying. The graph of f contains the point. So it means what? This coordinate will satisfy this equation. First interpretation. Okay. Second, consider the arithmetic sequence log 827 log base 8p, whatever the sequence is given, where p is greater than 1 and q is greater than 1. Okay, so first question is show that a is equals to 8. So how will we find a? I will simply put this coordinate in the given function. So f of x is nothing but y ka value, so 4 equals to a raised to power x ka value is 2 upon 3. Okay, now there are two ways we can simplify this question. This is non-calculator question, by the way. Okay, so the simpler one is, whenever you have power and variable to simplify, multiply the power by reciprocal of it, and here as well multiply by the reciprocal of same. Whatever you have multiplied on the right hand side, multiply on the left hand side. So what you get, 4 raised to power 3 upon 2 equals to, now this 3 will be cancelled, 2 will be cancelled, you will be left with a directly. So here if you simplify, 4 can be written as 2 raised to 2, 3 upon 2. Now we know in exponents a raised to power m raised to power n is nothing but a raised to power m into n. So using that property we get 2 raised to power 2 into 3 upon 2, 2 will be cancelled, and a is equals to 2 raised to 3, that is nothing but 8. That is what the question is asking. Okay, now what is the second way? Second way is almost the same, it's just that you have to use a longer way. So first you cube on both sides. Okay, I have written ulta. Yeah, okay. First you have to make cube on both sides, so it will become a square, right? Now you have to take square root on both sides. So 4 cube is 64 equals to a square. So a will be equals to square root of 64, that is 8. So you can use any one, whatever you want, you can use any one of the methods. Both of them are correct, you will get the same marks for using any one of them. Okay? So have a quick look at the question A and the answer. Okay? Quickly look at the question and the answer. Fine. Next question. Question B. Okay. What is question B? Write down an expression for f inverse x. See, this question is of functions and we have not covered functions yet. So we will not be solving B and C here. We will not be solving B and C here, as till now we have covered only arithmetic sequence, geometric sequence, logs. Okay, we have covered these 3 topics till now. So we will not be solving these 2 questions here, but we will be definitely solving them when we will cover functions. Okay, D1, show that 27, P, Q and 125 are 4 consecutive terms in geometric sequence. Okay, now this question is not properly arranged. So this part, for this part, questions are starting from here. See, D1 and D2 can be solved with the help of this part. Okay, fine. Show that 27, P, Q are consecutive terms in geometric sequence. But what we have been given? We have been given the arithmetic sequence. So we have been given arithmetic sequence, so we will take help of arithmetic sequence only. Okay, and what we know about arithmetic sequence is common difference is constant. So I will use arithmetic sequence ka logic here, and what I will get, this is my first term, this is my second term, this is my third term, this is my fourth term. Okay, so u2 minus u1 should be equals to u4 minus u3, because see, these 2 are consecutive terms, these 2 are consecutive terms, correct? Fine. When I simplify this, what I get log 8p minus log 827, okay, equals to, fourth term is log 8125 minus log 8q. Now see, base is same and coefficient is 1, so I can write it as log 8 p upon 27, and here I can write log 125 upon q. Okay, same way I can equate it with log u3 minus u2 as well. So when I write u3 minus u2, I will get log 8q upon log not upon, it will be in subtraction. So subtraction के लिए यहाँ पे आ जाएगा log base 8q upon p. ठीक है? So see, log base 8 is common everywhere, so you can cancel log base 8. You get p upon 27 equals to q upon p equals to 125 upon q. This itself represents that the ratio of consecutive terms. So यहाँ पे मैंने उल्टा लिख दिया, I should have written it here and I should have written it here. So हमको ये वाला आंसर मिलता, ठीक है? So you can rearrange it and solve. So here I am getting ratio of consecutive terms as constant, right? When ratio of my consecutive terms are constant, it is nothing but a geometric sequence. So you will get full marks for doing these steps. Okay. Now next part, find the value of p and value of q. Now you can solve it in many ways. You can find value of p and value of q in many ways. So we will do one of the ways, that is, I have 2 equations here. What are the equations? I am getting p square equals to 27q as one equation, and I am getting q square equals to 125p as second equation. So I am getting 2 equations, that is simultaneous equation, and I can simplify this. Okay. This is one way. What is second way? Now as we have proved in D1 that they are terms of geometric sequence, what I can do, 27 is my u1, p is my u2, q is my u3, and 125 is my u4. Using geometric sequence ka formula, what I get, u4 equals to u1 r raised to power 3. So u4 is 125, u1 is 27, so r raised to 3. So r raised to 3 is nothing but 125 upon 27, that is nothing but 5 raised to 3 upon 3 raised to 3, that is nothing but 5 upon 3 raised to cube. It means what? R cube is 5 upon 3 raised to 3. Cancel out 3, you get r is equals to 5 upon 3. Correct? And what we know, u2 is nothing but u1 into r, and u2 is nothing but u1 into r, and u3 is nothing but u1 into r square. So what we get, using that logic, we get u1 is 27 into 5 upon 3 is u2, that is nothing but 3 1s are 3 9s are 9 5s are 45, and u1 r square. u1 is 27, u1 r square will be 5 square upon 3 square. So 3 square is 9, 9 1s are 9 3s are 5 square 25, 25 3s are 75. So P ka value is 45 and Q ka value is 75. This is our answer. Okay. Now, this is how we solve the question. Okay. If you have understood it, very good. Now go to the start of the video, pause the video at the question and try solving entire question. If you haven't got it, you can go through the video again and understand the concept. Okay. That's it for today. Good luck.